Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at SPY, daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So it was another day, the second time in 3 days where we have seen bullish action pre-market and then bearish action during regular trading. So we have an inside candlestick with the range tightening. I don't expect a lot of action tomorrow, and that is because Wednesday is the big action day. We have the FOMC announcement, the Fed, we've got the oil inventory report at 10:30. We've got some big earnings, Facebook, Baba. So that is the day where I expect a lot of volatility and either a break of 211.21 support, the low of October, and another leg to the downside, or a move back towards 215 to try and save this trend, turn it back around for the bulls, and be looking back towards the highs. But the bulls have a lot of work to do. We've got support 211.71 and resistance after 213.19, we've got 213.93, and then looking up at 215.32. SPX, as I've been saying, as long as the 10-week moving average is resistance, I am bearish short-term on the markets, and we have rejected 5 of the last 6 weeks. That's all the way up at 21.46, so we're still well below that level, and until we can close above it on the weekly, we are on the verge of breaking this key support. Look at the bulls defending 21.20 here, bouncing off of it 3 times. But we are looking like we're not done testing that level just yet. So looking at SPY on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that bullish action pre-market and then just bear right out of the gate. Bulls showed up short term and they broke the lower high pattern. The key resistance was the 100 period 5-minute. First thing, we rejected from that 4 out of 5 candlesticks, pulled back, rejected again, dumped to a new low of the day, came up, and then see these clear lower highs. As soon as this move broke that lower high of 212.87, that showed the bulls had some strength. Then we broke to a new high of the day, did not break the high of pre-market, and then started to see further pullback and weakness towards the end of the day. There was a lot of action at the end of the day in the last 3 minutes. We saw a very quick dump to the low of the day, and then a very quick turnaround with a 50-cent bounce here, still continuing after hours. So lots of volatility at the end of the day. We did not have much volume at all today with that tight range forming. And again, I expect tomorrow to be a fairly insignificant day as everybody is watching and waiting for Wednesday. So the trend favors the bears, but it all depends on what this FOMC reaction is, and we can expect a big day of volume on Wednesday, and that will be an interesting, fun day of trading. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Have a wonderful night.